pages 67 and 68. Perhaps you've seen really large birds on the side of the road after an animal has been killed by a car. They could be turkey vultures that come to clean up. Or you may have seen a line of ants parading back and forth to a dead grasshopper. They're using it for food. Fungi do the same thing. Mushrooms form on rotting logs or animal waste, cleaning it up. Nothing goes to waste in nature. You may know what a compost bin is. You may even have one in your backyard. You put kitchen waste like fruit and vegetable scraps or coffee grounds into the compost bin. Then worms, beetles, and microorganisms begin the process of breaking the material down. In the end, you have soil material that you can spread on your own garden to help it grow. The life cycle begins all over again. Words to know. Scavenger organisms. An animal, bird, or other organism that eats dead animals or rotting food. Compost bin. A container where dead organisms break down. Microorganisms. Living things so small you need a microscope to see them. Did you know dung beetles find food on animal waste? They gather it up into a ball and roll it away to eat later. Ooh. Final act. Once a living thing has completed its entire life cycle, it dies. Creatures like parrots and tortoises take a very, very long time to live out their lives. Some types of parrots can live over 100 years. Some tortoises live 150 years or more. But other creatures have very short lifespans. The mayfly is an insect that lives in water. It can live as briefly as 30 minutes. But living things aren't guaranteed to fully live out their lifespan. Animals that are delicious to other animals, like mice, don't always reach old age. A lot depends on how healthy an organism is. A lot depends on the condition of its environment. And a little bit of luck helps too. Here are some average lifespans. Elephant, 70 years. Catfish, 60 years. Eagle, 55 years. Chimpanzee, 40 years. Cobra, 28 years. Wolf, 18 years. Green frog, 10 years. Rabbit, 9 years. What materials do you think can go into a compost bin? Right up here it talks about the compost bin. Old banana peels, eggshells, black and white newspapers, or all of the above.